down in Mississippi. A mallard duck, yeah, that's what gets me. Shooting this steel cause I can't shoot lead, but I don't miss, I just knock them in the head. In the duck blind, having us a good time. High five every time they fly by. Robo duck in the middle of the spread, got sausage on the grill and a piece of white bread. In the duck blind, I remember now when I was 14, the little wood duck hole, my friends and me. They were whistling Dixie coming through the trees.